The world of 1000 LB Sisters continues to spark intense emotions, especially when it comes to the personal lives of its stars. And Amy Slayton, known for her honesty, humor, and emotional vulnerability, is now back in the spotlight as fans zero in on her whirlwind romance with her new fiancé Brian. What began as a seemingly fairy tale-like relationship has now raised alarm bells across social media, fan forums, and Reddit threads. Many viewers are asking the same haunting question: is Amy Slayton's new love too good to be true? Could Brian's true colors be lurking just beneath the surface, waiting for the perfect moment to show? While Amy seems genuinely happy for the first time in months after a brutal and public split from her ex-husband Michael Halterman, her relationship with Brian has moved at lightning speed. The pair began dating shortly after Amy's divorce, and just 5 months in, Brian reportedly popped the question, with a spooky black engagement ring that has both thrilled and puzzled fans. The couple's romantic milestones, park dates, family outings, social media shout-outs, have flooded TikTok and Instagram, making headlines and gaining traction on 1000 LB Sisters fan pages. However, the speed and intensity of their relationship have also triggered a wave of skepticism. Loyal fans who have supported Amy through her toughest battles are now asking whether her desire for love and stability might be blinding her to red flags. A growing faction of viewers believes Brian may be hiding aspects of himself that could surface in the future, changing the course of Amy's life once again. One major concern stems from Brian's sudden and enthusiastic presence around Amy's children, Gage and Glenn. While Amy has praised Brian's kindness toward her sons, many fans find it suspicious that a man who just entered their lives is already playing a father figure role. Some viewers point out that Michael was distant and uninvolved with the kids in the show's later seasons, leaving a parental vacuum. Brian is now stepping into with surprising ease. Fans worry that Brian's fast bond with the boys may be more about winning Amy over than a genuine desire to be a father. Others question whether Amy has fully healed from her previous relationship and if she might be rushing into something simply to fill an emotional void. Critics point out that trauma bonding is common after painful breakups, especially when children are involved. Amy's emotional posts, where she gushes over Brian and speaks about him being her peace, hint that she may be projecting hopes and dreams onto someone she still barely knows. Her openness is charming, but it also leaves her vulnerable to manipulation. Social media has become a hotbed for amateur detectives analyzing every detail of Brian's online presence. Some claim to have found old posts or associations that paint a different picture of him than the one Amy promotes. One fan claimed Brian was once linked to a woman with a history of legal trouble. Others suggest he may be clout chasing, trying to ride the wave of Amy's fame to build his own platform. He has appeared in several TikToks with Amy that garnered hundreds of thousands of views, perfect exposure for someone who might have ulterior motives. Adding more fuel to the fire is the unconventional engagement ring. While Amy playfully shared that Brian proposed with a spooky, black gothic-style ring that matched her vibe, others wondered if the gesture was less romantic and more performative. Some fans question whether the ring was a thoughtful choice or simply a quick Amazon find meant to impress on a budget. Critics argue that it may reflect a lack of seriousness or commitment. In fact, discussions have spiraled into whether Brian is treating the relationship like a game or reality TV spectacle rather than a long-term partnership. Amy's history of attracting problematic men is not lost on her followers. Many recall her emotional rollercoaster marriage with Michael, which went from cute couple content to domestic struggles and court filings. During the separation, Amy was seen crying, screaming, and seeking comfort from her sister Tammy, whose own journey was no less dramatic. Fans feel protective over Amy and are wary of watching her repeat the same painful cycle. On the other side of the debate are those defending Brian in the relationship, claiming that fans are too quick to judge. They argue that Amy deserves happiness and that not every man in her life will hurt her. These supporters believe Amy's recent glow-up, from weight loss to self-confidence to financial independence, has given her better judgment. They suggest that perhaps Brian really is the calm, kind, and quirky partner Amy always wanted. Still, the doubts continue. A trending theory floating around fan spaces is that Brian could be hiding elements of his past, financial instability, legal issues, or even a hidden temper that have yet to be revealed. Some worry that once the cameras fade and the social media buzz dies down, the honeymoon phase could crumble and Amy might find herself trapped again. Reddit users have speculated that Amy's tendency to overshare may also mask deeper insecurities. Her giddy posts about Brian often avoid deeper conversations about trust, conflict, or shared values. Where does Brian stand on parenting discipline? What are his long-term goals? Does he work? How does he handle stress or disagreements? These are the questions fans are desperate to know but feel Amy might be glossing over in favor of good vibes and TikTok likes. Even more concerning are whispers from local sources claiming they've seen Brian in tense public moments with Amy. While nothing has been confirmed, one alleged witness described a heated exchange in a Walmart parking lot, saying Brian looked visibly frustrated while Amy tried to calm him down. Though unverified, stories like this have only added to the unease many fans feel. Another point of speculation revolves around the show's producers. Some fans think that Brian might have been brought into Amy's life, or at least encouraged, by the production team to spice up the storyline. With ratings always in play, adding a mysterious new love interest to Amy's arc is an easy win. If true, this could mean viewers are only seeing a curated version of Brian, one meant to keep people watching and guessing. Furthermore, Amy's behavior in recent episodes shows a woman caught between past pain and new hope. Her body language around Brian has been interpreted in many ways. Some fans note how she lights up around him, while others say she appears nervous or hesitant at times, especially when he's not looking. NG, is it excitement, or something deeper, more uncertain? In addition to fan fears, several online therapists and relationship coaches have weighed in. An anonymous TikTok therapist suggested Amy could be in a trauma-driven rebound, noting signs like rapid attachment, idealization of a new partner, and public love bombing. These patterns, the therapist warned, often precede disillusionment or worse. As the speculation grows, Amy remains characteristically open. In one recent TikTok live, she addressed the hate by saying, "Yeah, I don't know him like I do. Brian makes me happy, and that's what matters." While her words were strong, fans noticed a flicker of anxiety in her voice. Could it be that deep down, Amy senses the same doubts her followers do? For now, the situation remains in flux. Amy continues to post sweet moments with Brian, from pizza nights to cuddles with her kids. But with every post comes more debate. Every smile is dissected, every ring angle is analyzed, and every word Amy says is held under a microscope. What's certain is this: fans care deeply about Amy Slayton. They've seen her rise from personal and physical hardships, navigate toxic relationships, and fight to become a better version of herself. Now, they just want her to be safe, emotionally, physically, and mentally. Whether Brian turns out to be a supportive soulmate or yet another heartbreak waiting to happen, time will tell. But until then, the question lingers in the air like smoke after a fire. Will Brian's true colors eventually emerge, and if they do, will Amy be strong enough to walk away? As new episodes of 1000 LB Sisters begin to tease the next chapter in Amy's journey, fans are watching with cautious optimism. Some hope for a love story, others brace for a storm. But no one is looking away. Because when it comes to Amy Slayton, there's more than just reality TV at stake. There's a real woman with a fragile heart, a loyal fan base, and a future still unwritten. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.